Hello, I'm Martin, and today I'm going to very quickly take you through everything to expect when you book a Wi-Fi survey with Haptic Networks. Let's go! After getting in touch with our team, we'll arrange a call with you to discuss your requirements and understand what you want to achieve with your Wi-Fi survey. We'll ask for a few essential details, including an up-to-date copy of your site floor plans, contact information, and any other useful info that can help us learn about how your Wi-Fi needs to be used by your organisation. We'll then arrange for your Wi-Fi survey to take place on a date and time that's convenient for you. Once we arrive on site and our Wi-Fi specialists have introduced themselves, they'll talk through what they'll be doing on the day. We'll need to see your comms room so we can make a note of how your network cabinets are configured, and we'll also check with you if there's any sensitive areas of your site that need to be taken into consideration. Our Wi-Fi specialists will then walk around your site to take a comprehensive scan of your environment. We use the Ekahau Psychic 2 Wi-Fi analyzer to generate a digital heat map that shows how your Wi-Fi is performing in great detail. Our team can use this data to identify any potential problem areas which need to be addressed to guarantee the best possible coverage across your site. Our specialists will also need to take pictures that document where your access points are currently placed and measurements on how your buildings are constructed, as these factors can also affect the quality of your Wi-Fi connection. Once your survey has been completed, we'll need time to go away and review the findings. These will be produced in a bespoke report and provided to you at a debrief session, during which we'll answer any questions you may have. Finally, if our report uncovers any issues with your Wi-Fi that you need help to resolve, we're more than happy to discuss that with you so we can help you achieve reliable Wi-Fi your staff can depend on. And that's it. So, if you'd like to book a Wi-Fi survey, or if you have any questions at all, reach out to our team and we'll be ready and waiting to help.